I've known you, baby, I can figure out the reason why lately you've been acting so cold. Didn't you say if there's a problem we should work it out? So why you giving me the cold shoulder now, like you didn't even wanna talk to me, girl? Tell me, okay, I know I was late again. I made you mad and then I stone in the bed. But why you making this thing drag on so long? I wanna know. I'm sick and tired of a silly game. Don't think that I'm the only one here to blame. It's not me who's been going round slamming doors. That's when you turned and said to me, I don't care, babe, who's right or wrong. I just don't love you no more. Rain outside my window pouring down. What now? You're gone, my fault, I'm sorry. Feeling like a fool cause I let you down. Now it's too late to turn it around. I'm sorry for the tears I've made you cry. I guess this time it really is goodbye. And made it clear when you said I just don't love you no more. I know that I made a few mistakes, but never thought that things would turn out this way. Doesn't make sense to me now that you're gone. I see it all so clearly. Me at the door with you in a state, giving my reasons, but as you look away, I can see a tear roll down your face. That's when you turned and said to me, I don't care, babe, who's right or wrong. I just don't love you no more. Rain outside my window pouring